Hello, creative people. Welcome back to our little corner of art and inspiration. Today, we're going to learn how to watercolor a cherry with a step-by-step tutorial in just 3 simple steps. So even if you've never painted before, you'll be able to reproduce it. If you like today's theme, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. In this video, we'll be using 300 gram paper, watercolors, and a brush. The colors used are listed in the video description. Let's start with the cherry sketch. No perfectionism here. The secret is a light stroke, just to guide the painting. I make 2 slightly concave circles at the top. Here I'm defining the highlight area dot. From the concave part, draw the cherry stem and add a leaf. Drawing was easy. Watercoloring will be even easier. In the first step, we'll start with very diluted paint. In this case, I'm using Scarlet red. We begin by watercoloring the 2 circles with the concavity facing upward, just like we did in the sketch. Now, with yellow-green, we'll paint the stems and add the leaf. Let it dry. I repeated the first step for teaching purposes. I teach this cherry technique, along with other fruits and delights, in my new book, Watercolor with Flavor. Delicacies without the use of sketching. The book is available for purchase on Amazon. Take advantage. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. The purchase link is in the video description. In the second step, we'll use the same colors but a bit stronger to start adding contrast to our cherry. Respect the areas where we define the highlights. For the leaf, we'll also use sap green. Notice that I don't cover the entire leaf because I want to keep the brightness of the yellow-green. Now that the base is ready, it's time to add depth to our cherry. I'll repeat the first and second steps for teaching purposes. Notice that I start with a light tone and gradually darken it. Work with thin layers to avoid making the painting too heavy. In this third and final step, we'll add the details. To create the shadow, mix a little red with very diluted green and apply it to the lower edges of the cherry and in the concave area, where natural light doesn't hit. A simple tip: The best shadow for any color you use in watercolor is a mix of the main color with its opposite on the color wheel. This mix will create what we call a dirty color, but it will give you a more realistic shadow on the object. We use sap green to create the grooves on the leaves and stem. At the base of the stem, we'll also add a shadow using the mix of complementary colors. If at any point you lose the cherry's highlight, don't worry, use a white pen, white acrylic paint, or a white pencil to add the highlight after the watercolor dries. And there you go. We've successfully watercolored a perfect cherry in just 3 simple steps. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your artist friends. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our weekly videos. Leave a comment below telling me about your experience with this project or suggesting other themes you'd like to learn. I love hearing from you. Until next time, thank you for watching the video until the end. And buy my book Watercolor with Flavor: Delicacies Without the Use of Sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description.